interested in. All right. So you've done all of this and you're getting people on your page. When you post, you use hashtags, you use location, that's geotag. People ask questions, you engage with them, you respond to them. Go to some other people's page, you engage with them, you talk to them. All right. You make sure that you post every day at least. You make sure that you talk to people on their own pages as many times as possible. All right. So when you're doing all of this, people are coming to your page and they're checking and doing all that, right? Yes. Start giving them offers for things. So you have offers, promos, and you have discounts. All right. Offers, promos, and discounts. Extremely important. So I advise that you create weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, quarterly offers, promos, and discounts as frequently as possible. Right? It keeps you in the mind of people. It makes people remember who you are, and your friends will most likely share those offers with other people rather than share your regular posts. Do you understand? So try that too. I've talked about engaging, talked about commute. Yeah. What have I not talked about? All right. Now, in all of this, there's something I must mention here. Whatever you do, understand that it is still basic, it's organic, right? So that's why you have to pay for ads, right? Adverts are extremely important, right? You are posting, people are giving you a few jobs, you are doing those jobs, you are asking for reviews, you're asking for recommendations, telling them to tell more people about you, picking out what they have written about you and posting it on your platform so that people see it. It builds trust, improves your conversations, right? But that is still basically organic. To grow faster, you need to pay for ads. So let's talk about Facebook ads. Facebook ads, for me, I still believe is one of the best methods to run your Facebook marketing or your Instagram marketing or your online marketing or your social media marketing, as whatever you want to call it. The cheapest way to run it is through Facebook ads. Right? Now, any Facebook ad starts with an objective, and there are 11 objectives on your Facebook page, all right, on your Facebook advert platform. But if you decide to go to the regular promote on Instagram, you will see 3. If you go to the regular promote on Facebook, you see, I think, about 5 or 6. But when you go to your Facebook Ads Manager platform, right, you see 11. It is always better to go to your Facebook Ads Manager platform. Why? That gives you more objectives. That gives you an idea. It shows you the funnel and how it works. If you're a new account, right, if you look at your Facebook advert platform, right, it is divided into 3. There is the awareness part, there is the consideration part, before the conversion part. Under the awareness part, you have 2 types of ads: the reach and it is the reach and the awareness ads, right? The first one. In the middle, you have the engagement, right, or the consideration, right? Now, engagement and consideration area, you're having things like video views, link clicks, lead generation. All right. What else are you getting there? You're getting people that can engage, like, comment on your post. In the conversion area, you're getting people that can actually come to your physical store, people that can click and buy from your e-commerce store. That's the last one, right? So if you are a new Facebook user, you are new to Facebook ads, right? You want to start with the awareness area. Now, awareness area, when you run ads there, people would most likely, how will I put it now? Facebook will show your advert to people that would most likely remember your posts, remember what you do, connect it to what you do. Do you understand? That's what Facebook will do in the very first area. So when you have done that for a while, right, you might make 1 or 2 sales there, but you've done that for a while. The awareness and all is going. You move to the middle where you're getting the engagement. Now, most of those people that you have gotten awareness from, when you're not doing the engagement part, you'll still see some of them, plus new ones. Do you understand? Now, those ones here, they're going to be people that are going to engage, convert, all right, comment, save your posts, watch your videos, do your link. So if you have a video, right, and you want people to actually watch, it's better you come to this area and do a video views objective. If you have a link, like you want somebody to go and check out something on YouTube or go and check out a paper that you wrote somewhere or something, you use the link click one. If somebody is telling you, I want to generate leads for a particular job, I want a number of people that can take advantage of this, you want to pick out lead generation from this other area. All right. So when you've done this too for a while, you also have generated people on your page. You get it now. Then you can now go find out to the conversion area. All right. Now understand this. Every area is more expensive than the other. The awareness or reach area is cheaper than the engagement area. The engagement area is cheaper than the last area, the conversion area. So sometimes as a social media manager, somebody will say, right, telling me Facebook ads is cheap. I do $1 for a day. That's crap. Do you understand? Because if you do $1 for a day and you're getting a high reach, when you do it and you're running $1 for a day in the engagement area, you are killing yourself because it will perform at that level because this one is more expensive. Now, some people even do that for the conversion area. Crazy. So that's why Facebook started helping them out. So when you do some advert, Facebook will not tell you, please, it's too cheap. It won't work. Those days, Facebook will not tell you. They'll just leave you. You'll just be there waiting. The advert did not perform. You paid money, you done everything. The advert will be there. You did not perform. Yeah. Why? Because it's too cheap. Do you understand what I'm saying? Right? The awareness reach area is the cheapest. The engagement area is more expensive. The conversion area, the last one, is most expensive. So learn to increase your budget. Stop doing all those $1 a day thing. All right? Start looking at things like $5. Very important, right? Now, you start your advert. Excuse me. Let it run for a day, 2, 3 days. Then you can increase your budget after that. So you can run for a day, or 3 days. Sorry, you can run for 3 days initially with a low budget that is acceptable to Facebook. Then you can increase over time. The longer you leave your advert, the more performing it is most likely going to become. Why? Because while your advert is running, you are getting paid reach, you're getting paid results. But while that is happening, the attention on your page is also getting some other people to come organically to visit your page. So while you're running an advert, you're getting increased paid reach, you're also getting increased organic, right? So you're getting increased paid, you're getting increased organic. All right. Any questions so far? I feel as if I'm going too deep and too spiritual. It's like people need to get some.
No
Any questions?
Yeah, thank you so much.